Hey guys, welcome to another video. So I'm gonna be playing with my friends now, and I'm gonna play a game called Roblox. I already played it a bit, and I'm gonna play a game inside Roblox. And if you don't know what Roblox is, don't worry, I'll fill you in. But yeah, it's a game where there's pretty much a bunch of mini games everywhere, and you get to pick a mini game and you can play it until you just want to switch. So you can play as many mini games as you want. There's probably a million. I don't know. But yeah, there's a lot of them. But yeah. So today we're just going to be doing Novel Warfare, I think it's. Yeah, we're going to be playing that game. Yeah, Noble. No, it has a V, dude. Anyway, we're going to be playing it. I have my friend right here. But yeah, we're going to be playing it, and I already played it a bit, so we can like spawn in planes and boats, and we have to try and capture the other stock. Oh, hey dude. Yeah, he is my friend right here. I'll shoot him just so you can see him. This guy right there. So yeah, he's my friend. We're gonna be playing with him today. No warfare, and yeah. Yeah, okay. Dude, there is a better boat, you know. Our harbor is under attack, dude. You can't spawn submarines here, by the way. Do you want a destroyer, crusher, or a heavy crusher? Get in the white seat. Get in. Get in here. Get in this little white seat here. Wait, you can go in this? Okay, dude. Let's go. Okay, dude. Let's set sail. Okay, I'm going straight for it. Planes would have been a bit better, but hey, we're doing this now. Dude. I think that's ours. An enemy plane would be a blue plane. Do you see a blue plane?
Yes, I do.
I don't.
I see it because my vector distance is on phone.
Mine is too. Guys, do you see a blue plane flying above us?
I do.
I really don't.
Dude, there is.
Okay, let's just continue driving. No. Anyway, let's move on and just keep on doing this. Guys, sorry if I cut out. Sorry about that. But yeah, we're gonna continue now. Well, I don't have any coins, so I have no idea what to do. Wait, you have 3 coins, you said?
No, I don't.
About that, again. see. Try not to say bad words in front of the audience, dude. It can be in some places. Yeah. Really sad. I hope you do soon. Oh, really? I think I will. Dude, look around my room. Well, yeah. Yeah, it'd be nice because computers have like Discord and stuff. Well, if you have the right one. If you just keep it plugged in, it will have infinite battery. I think that's a very inappropriate fact. Why? Did you poop on the floor and then plug a charger into it? I'm getting grossed out right now. And why are you not wearing a shirt again? Oh, you are. Sorry. Anyway. Talk to the audience. Yeah. That's my friend. What is it, guys? What's the answer? What's the answer to this question?
Okay, it starts with L.
It's probably leaf. Is it leaf?
Nope.
What do you guys think it is?
Everybody, don't tell them. It might be a leaf type. It might.
I said leaf. So answer me. Is leaf correct?
No, it might. I said it might.
But I said it, so you need to tell me the answer if it's wrong or right leaf type.
It's not right.
Okay. Okay, so it can't be water, fire. It can't be. Oh. Mm-hmm.
There's a lot of different types that start with L.
Sorry for my loud breathing. What could it be? What could it be? L. What could be the answer? I'm gonna have to check the comments after this. What's the answer? Oh, I know the answer. It's leave the game. Okay, I'm gonna do what you said. Leave the game type. And I'm gonna leave the game type. So I'm gonna. Wait, that's actually the correct answer. They probably can't even hear you. Okay, yeah, let's see. Yes, I see the difference. Channel. It's every day, bro, on the Disney Channel. Melanie did been 6 months. Never done before. Frostblade. I have the great Frostblade.
What is your fuss about? Why are you so fussy right now?
I'm not.
Why are you fussing about it? You have played, you have to make me play the game up. You're playing? Yes! Stop playing it! That's the correct answer because I'm a frog. No.
Dude, I'm playing Zombie Rush.
How dare you? That game's horrible.
Yeah. What level are you in Zombie Rush, though?
I hacked, so I'm now 800.
Such a liar.
I know how to hack.
Hack the game and make yourself a god and destroy a bunch of things at once.
I actually leveled up there myself.
Knew it.
That was a cool game. Oh. You join my game. I have a cool game.
You have a cool game, you say? We're not playing tower battles.
Why?
Dude, you do not know my history at all. I'll play for a bit, but not that much. Got it? You got it?
Okay.
Good.
I don't know how to get in this game.
Seriously?
You just wait?
I'm in.
How do you...
You have to join a server. You have to join a server. You have to join the server, dude. I'm in a single server, dude. I'm in a solo server.
Hey dude, how do you go to the server?